So in this video, I'm going to discuss 2 quick tips to avoid premature face wrinkles without any filters. Hey guys, I'm coming to you without any filters so that you can see what folks are talking about when they tend to ask me, what have I done to keep wrinkles at bay and pores at minimal at the age of 60? So when I was a teenager, I wanted to be a supermodel, and to me that entailed a smooth complexion, very glowy complexion, and a clear complexion. So I thought, what should I do in order to maintain this? So I engaged in skincare routines and rituals on a weekly basis. You know, my grandmother would say to me, Bridget, you spend hours in the mirror and I see no difference. Well, I think it sort of paid off, right? Yeah, so people tend to ask me, what have I done throughout the years to have managed to keep my skin youthful looking? So those are the things that I've done as I've engaged in skincare routines growing up. 2 things also, I haven't smoked and I don't do alcohol. So I went out one time for cocktails with a friend, and the next day my skin was totally dried and wrinkled up, and I thought perhaps that was the alcohol content that was in that drink. So I made a vow to myself that I would never do alcohol again. It's a drying agent, and so is nicotine. So don't smoke and don't do alcohol if you want a smooth complexion with minimal wrinkles. So that's how you kind of like keep the wrinkles at bay. You moisturize, and don't do alcohol, don't smoke, and engage in a skincare routine that will keep your skin looking supple and smooth. And if you want to continue and hear what that entails, subscribe to the channel.